0 feet altitude. 10 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 98% battery.
A little focus on the horizon. It's a little foggy, I gotta be careful with the focus. Alright, that looks good.
112 feet altitude. 504 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 94% battery.
Gonna run a mission out here, right near sunset. I got a brand new video card. SanDisk Extreme Pro I want to try out. I can't even see it, it's right across the street. So it's going to make a couple of trips up and down the area here. Safe and close.
.400 feet altitude. 565 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 90% battery.
I'm interested in the right speed of the picture when I turn. GPS on board, of course.
Warning, disconnected.
That's because I'm in the house. Let's go back out. And I'm going to look at this antenna on this guy here. It's a little bit sketchy. It doesn't get the signal as good as the other one does. Cuts out a lot quicker. Probably about maybe a
399 feet altitude. 2,542 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 84% battery.
200 or 300 feet less distance. It'll disconnect before the other one would. Picture does, it gets a little choppy, it seems.
Feet altitude. 819 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 79% battery.
I'm really hoping this new card isn't counterfeit, but this one looks genuine just by the cosmetics, but you just don't know until you try it out, test it, see how the speed looks. There's the park yesterday when I was leaving the park. I was the only one in the park. The only car there I saw was mine. And I was walking back from the pavilion.
399 feet altitude. 1,009 feet distance.
Which
22
is,
miles per hour. 76% battery.
there we go, the pavilion right there. And there was a guy walking across that bridge. And he goes to me, this is right about maybe a little bit later, like maybe a half hour from now. The sun was setting. It was getting dark there. And he's like, oh, hey, there you are. I go, what? And he goes, he gets a little closer. Oh, I thought you were somebody else. I'm like, oh, okay, I get it. You're looking for a hookup here. You're trying to find your fucking guy. Oh, it ain't me, pal. Keep going. Fucking asshole. Nothing against homosexuality and gay people, but they like to meet over there and do whatever they like to do in the woods.
399 feet altitude. 1,349 feet distance. 21 miles per hour. 72% battery.
Just keep it away from me and we're fine. Then I heard him on this when I was... He walked back towards where I was walking to my car. Then I saw him. He was about maybe 100 feet away from me. And I saw him. He had his phone on. And he's like, where are you? So, sorry, pal. Didn't mean to ruin your day. Freaking rained all day. I was
399 feet altitude. 1,186 feet distance.
wasn't gonna fly. Then I come outside. I took the dog out. I was like, yeah, it's nice out right now. Yeah, this is a 15-minute flight.
Warning, disconnected.
Gets this, well, it doesn't, it's not disconnected, but it's close. Picture gets real choppy. Last night I was coming down the road here, right by this, the barn. Right before the barn. I was coming back from the store around 8:30, 9 o'clock.
400 feet altitude. 2,165 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 64% battery.
And there was a hood rat right there on the side of the road, and I saw his lights, my lights in his eyes, and I slowed down. I'm thinking he was thinking about running in front of the car, but he stopped. Which is cool because I already hit one with a car about a year and a half ago. Fucked up the front end. Didn't even hurt the deer. He got up and ran away.
.399 feet altitude. 697 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 60% battery.
I never go faster than 40 on that road at night. The speed limit's like, everybody does 50, 55. But they're all over the place out here. And I'll be the first to say hitting one sucks. It cost $1,600 worth of damage to the car.
400 feet altitude. 1,261 feet distance. 21 miles per hour. 56% battery.
It's going to do one more little orbit and then come back, I think. Let me check the waypoints.
$399 feet altitude. 746 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 52% battery.
Yeah, it's almost done. It's going to do a little run down here, then come back. Good battery. Getting dark out too. No wind, thankfully.
$399 feet altitude. 1,725 feet distance. 20 miles per hour. 47% battery. $400 feet altitude. 2,279 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 43% battery.
No more shaking when I point it straight down. That's wonderful. That makes me happy. It's starting to get obstacle warnings. It's seeing fog. Thinks it's a object. Put new sensors in it too, because they from taking it apart so many times, I tore one of the ribbon cable that connects it. Always something, I'm telling you.
$400 feet altitude. 487 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 39% battery.
That should be the end of it.
Mission ended.
Much battery? 37%. I'm gonna come back over here and check the shit pile
282 feet altitude.
that I found.
1,035 feet distance. 23 miles per hour. 34% battery.
With all that crap down there. It looks like clothing. And I'm wondering how the clothing got there. If someone like went there and died or something. You can't get too close because I lose my signal. I got to go across the street, and I'm going to do this in a sunnier day. But yeah, see all that shit there? At first I didn't know what it was. I thought it was ice. Then I'm like, it can't be ice. It's warm out. You know, obviously. Duh. And then I got closer to it.
125 feet altitude.
And it's clothing.
1,423 feet distance.
How did it
0
get
miles
there?
per hour. 30% battery.
Why is it there? Inquiring minds want to know. Okay, it's getting dark. Time to come back. Yeah, too low.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%. 237 feet altitude. 1,016 feet distance. 11 miles per hour. 24% battery.
You'll be able to see it in a minute. There it is.
Warning, aircraft battery at 23%. -4 feet altitude. 5 feet distance. Warning, aircraft battery at 21%. 0 miles per hour. 20% battery.
My sensor, the bottom sensor is getting a little feisty. I better try to clean it. That was like a perfect approach. Anyways, nice flight. Didn't think I was going to get one in. You know about.